Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase general power in Evony. Increasing your general power in Evony depends on whether you mean your overall profile power or individual generals. Your profile power naturally rises as you progress through the game, complete levels, and upgrade structures. For individual generals, go to the triple dot button and select the general you want to level up. For example, you choose King Arthur, tap XP button with the plus icon, and select Upgrade Monarch level. You will need to use experience books to increase your level. Each upgrade boosts the general stats and overall power. Additionally, General gains experience by participating in battles, including campaign stages, which also contributes to their growth. By consistently leveling your generals and using experience items strategically, you can steadily increase both their individual strength and your overall profile power, making your army more effective in PvP and PvE engagements. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.